Hi everyone, Mark here from Agrowplow. Wanted to have a chat to you guys about a couple of the refurb jobs coming through the workshop at the moment. This machine is a DF1000. It's around 20 years old now. The customer brought the machine in essentially because the drive system needed some attention. It wasn't engaging and disengaging as it should in the clutch area. Also had some damage down around the wheel arm, the drive chain around the wheel arm. This machine here, from the wheel up, we rebuilt all the drive components, got the machine back in factory condition to make sure that the drive is working correctly as it should. Behind the covers here, we replaced the bearings for the shafts, sprockets, all new chains all the way throughout, all the way to the back. This machine here has a Davimac retrofitted small seed box. While we're the Davimac group now, historically Davimac used to sell, custom small seed boxes to fit any variety of machines out there on the market. It just so happens that we make those also. So the customer had fitted this small seed box themselves. As we can see, we simply just gave it a bit of a birthday with chains, sprockets, tensioners. We've got a 3000 Series Agrowdrill. This machine has come in for a complete box refurb. The machine itself had done a lot of work. Basically getting all new plastics in the hopper, brand new shafts, brand new gate levers, and brand new valleys and verandas. Just head over here, we've got the wheel arms for this machine. Just look like two pieces of steel at the moment with some wheel hubs. The main wear in these machines, if you can see here, are on the pivot pins themselves. This machine had sheared the bolt and it was working and twisting this pivot pin. We'll be making new pins for this machine. We're also making new collars for where that locates, which will then take out the play out of those wheel arms. Heading across here, this is the internal components of that hopper that we saw over there. Here we have, I guess, the gate system. So there are double gate housings, gate shafts and the gate levers. They're all seized, you can't move them. These are all rusted up. The plastics have sheared some of the tabs that hold the seed cups on. Obviously all rusty. You can see here, veranda strips have all rusted. This is the valley itself. So originally the valleys were all painted. They weren't actually stainless steel, and the rollers have a real considerable amount of wear. I can't even spin that. So I guess what we will do, we'll rebuild this machine. All those shafts will be now stainless steel. This valley will be replaced with this valley here, fully stainless steel. I mentioned there previously that the 3000 Series drill is getting a custom made, custom fit small seed box. This is it, I guess, in its raw fashion here in Fab. It's all been cut out, bent up. Here's all our drive guards. That's our seating bar there. Just wanted to give you guys an insight into how things come together in our workshop. And once this is welded up, the lids are fitted, that small seed box will then be powder coated. So all the stuff you see there will be powder coated and then fitted to our machine. Here we have a Davimac DF Cedar small seed box. So that's an older model Davimac Cedar. The Davimac range of seed drills was discontinued a few years back now, but as you can see here, we can still support that brand, support the product. We still have all the drawings in the workshop to manufacture a small seed box to suit that machine. This small seed box here is fully powder coated. The shafts now through that box, fully stainless steel. All of our sprockets and componentry has all been zinc plated. You can see there, very simple little small seed box that's been assembled. These small seed boxes are also retrofittable to all other makes, models, brands. All we actually need is the overall width of your machine for mounting, and then the number of outlets that you require. Here we've just got a valley out of I believe it was an old AD95 seed drill. If we look down here, we can see that it's completely rusted out in the valley itself. So that's obviously where our seed rollers run. That would have been leaking seed out of there. Wouldn't have been doing a very good job at all. Customer has just brought this in and said, hey, can we replicate it? We found the drawings through parts manuals that we have fully available to us. You know, this is the end result. This is our brand new stainless steel version of it. He certainly won't be having any issues with that one in the future once he gets it installed. Yeah, so it just gives you guys an idea of, I guess, what we can do. If you've got a valley that looks like that in an old seed drill, you know, don't throw it in the scrap bin, come and see us and we'll get it fixed up.